In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the CapCut QR code on PC in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to sign in faster, connect your account, or log into CapCut using your phone, this is the easiest way to do it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the account and sign-in options. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to start there so you can access the QR code login method. Now click on Sign In from the left menu. This will bring up the login options for your CapCut account. Depending on your setup, you may see different ways to sign in, like email, Google, or other account methods. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the QR code option because it's fast and simple. Next, click Use QR code. CapCut will immediately generate a QR code on your screen. This QR code is what you'll scan with your phone to sign in quickly without typing your password manually. It's especially useful if you already have CapCut installed on your mobile device and want to link it to your desktop app. Once you click that option, you can now see your QR code on the screen. At this point, all you need to do is open CapCut on your phone, use the scan feature, and scan the code displayed on your PC. After that, your account should connect automatically, and you'll be signed in. If you don't see the QR code right away, make sure you're on the correct sign-in screen and that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes the app may take a second to load the login panel, so give it a moment and try again if needed. And that's it. That's how to find the CapCut QR code on PC. It only takes a few clicks. Open CapCut, go to Sign In, choose Use QR code, and there it is. Super quick and super easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.